This is the Aquabot Pool Rover 1 year later. Hey, this is Scott from Creative Home. And in the spring of 2017, I picked up this Pool Rover from Amazon, and I've been using it now through 2 seasons. We're just about to start our third season with it here in 2019. And I thought I'd give you an update on what the performance has been, what I've noticed about it, and kind of where we're at. I've got a 15,000 gallon pool that is fairly small, and I've put this setting on this to the large pool so that it runs the maximum amount of time. Now for the cleaning that I'm videotaping here, this is pretty soon after a storm had rolled through, so we do have a little debris, which I thought was perfect to show kind of how the Pool Rover is going to pick up some of that debris and clean that pool out. I've got this thing connected to a switch that is a plug that is part of my smart home, and I've got it automatically coming on twice a day, and so it will run for its full cycle twice a day. Each cycle is about 2 hours, and it keeps that pool pretty darn clean. I got to tell you, I've been real impressed with its performance. Some of the downfalls of this are the cord does get tangled quite a bit, so we do have to pull it out and detangle the cord, untwist it a little bit. It does flip the Pool Rover over when it gets to the other side of the pool. So it is kind of a pain. I only have to do that maybe 2 or 3 times a week. So it's not really bad. I do take the Pool Rover out from time to time. We do clean out the filters inside, so we'd have to take those out, shake them out. We do let them dry as well, and then shake them out one more time to get dry debris out. So we do have to do that from about once a day, I think, is when we do that, especially in the after a storm or something. If it's been fairly quiet, it may take us, we may be able to do it once every other day. The Pool Rover itself has faded a little bit, right? The blue shell on the top has faded, which you'll see here. But all in all, this Pool Rover has worked really well. It's a solid little device and well worth the money. I highly recommend it.